Hey y'all, this is Ursula, the Harvey Container Gardener. I'm in my backyard. Welcome to my backyard. Welcome to my Harvey garden. So look, today I am so excited. I am so excited to be doing this harvest. And I'll let you know why I'm so excited to do this harvest. So it's not going to be on anything back here, even though these look scrumptious. I won't be doing any harvesting on any of those today. What I'm harvesting today, y'all, these 2 grow bags of sweet potatoes. So let me tell you why I'm so excited. So back in February, I purchased 1 small sweet potato just for slips. I might have paid $1 for it. I'm not sure, but I used it. I grew the slips. I planted the slips, and I started growing in 1 grow bag. So about mid-year, maybe around June, July, I knew it was almost time to harvest them. So the vines were so pretty. I went ahead and I cut the top of some of the vines. And I said, you know what, let me see if I can succession plant. Let me see if I can get another harvest. Took those cut vines, put them in some water, and let them, started developing some more roots. So end of July, I harvested that first bag of sweet potatoes. And it was a nice harvest, y'all. If y'all can go back and look at my videos, y'all see it was a nice harvest. I would say maybe about 10, maybe 12 pounds of nice sweet potatoes. So maybe a week or so later, I went ahead and I added some fertilizer to the grow bag, and I added another grow bag. I did 2 instead of 1. Added the bone meal, added some blood meal, and I also added some muriate of potash in the bags, along with some compost. So I planted 2 bags. So now today I have the 2 bags that I am harvesting, and that's why I say anything that comes out of these 2 grow bags is free, because I already got my money back from the first harvest, and now I am about to harvest some free food. And you know what, y'all? Let me show you this. I am going to try this again. So what I did was I went ahead and found the top of the sweet potatoes that had some leaves to it. I cut all of the leaves down as far as I can go, and left as many nods as I could. And I have this in some water. So y'all, I'm about to see if lightning gonna strike in the same place 3 times. And if it does, I might try it again a 4th time. Who knows? I may be able to grow free sweet potatoes for however long I'm allowed to grow sweet potatoes, as far as the weather and everything. So y'all, let me stop talking. Let me get to these sweet potatoes, and let's see what we gonna get. So I'm gonna set y'all down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay, move these to the side. I got my basket and I got my gloves because it rained earlier today. I was trying to let them dry out, so I'm not fooling around, in mud and all of that. But it's supposed to rain again tomorrow, and it's going to turn cold on us Sunday. Tomorrow's Saturday. It's supposed to turn cold on us Sunday. So I'm going to go ahead and get these done. This is what I like about grow bags, y'all. I don't have to dig for anything. I just have to turn it over like so. I'm going to loosen it up. I want y'all to see. I feel them, y'all. I do feel them in here. I don't know what they got in here, but I feel them. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, ooh, yeah. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, okay. Yum. Ooh. First one to fall out. Another little one. Okay. Let's see. Another little one. Oh, look like I broke that one. That's okay. I can still use it. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Whew. Oh, man, I just broke that one. All right, let's start breaking them. All right. And I got the soil going on this tarp because, of course, I am going to reuse my soil. Okay. Don't look like I'm getting too many big ones, but little ones, I can still use them. I'm thinking it just didn't have enough time to get big. Yeah, see, I got a lot of little ones down up in here. Yeah, a lot of little ones. But you know what? These little ones still free. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm breaking them. I need to stop. Okay. All right. Try to be more gentle by pulling these out without breaking them. I want to be able to cure them. All right. The roots. All right. I think that is it for this bag. Push that over, y'all. All right. Oh, forgetting one. Let me loosen this bag up. All right. Let's see what surprises we have in this bag. Come on out, sweet potatoes. Come on out. Whew. This is heavy. I don't want to break them. Whatever's in here. All right, let's see. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. But I'm still searching for these potatoes. All right, let's see. Okay. Alright. I'm trying not to break them, y'all. I've been breaking them. Alright. That's one. Oh man, bunch of little ones. Maybe they'll be good for French fries. Yep, I think that's what they will be good for. French fries. Look at this. A lot of roots. And French fries size. Okay. Let's see if I got anything else down up in here. Yeah, bunch of little ones. Okay. All right, y'all. Let me show you what I got. Can y'all hear the disappointment in my voice? All right, y'all. Okay. So, this is my harvest. Nothing too big. I was hoping for something a little bit bigger. But you know what? I'll take these because, like I said in the beginning, they're free. I think I just didn't have enough time for them to develop. I started them the end of July, the beginning of August. So I'm thinking if I leave these, if I plant some more, I need to leave them in longer than I did. So that's going to be my game plan for the new ones. And like I said, these are the ones that I'll be using. And all I do, I take the bottom leaves off. So I'm basically just cutting, well, tearing the bottom leaf off. And I'll break them off until I leave maybe a few at the top. This will go in some water, and I will try to overwinter these for next year. All right, guys. A little disappointed, but that's okay. They all still free. So, thank you guys for coming along with me in my backyard, seeing what I'm doing in my backyard, and I hope you guys are growing as well. All right, I'm about to end this video. Finish going through all of this stuff and put this soil back in these grow bags. And you know your girl, I'm about to plant something else. Yes, I am. Oh, let me show you guys this. Hold on. So the new bags that I have, my garlic is coming up and I have some onions coming up. And everything, y'all, is looking fabulous. inside the crop cage. Those cabbages, the mustards, the collards, the broccoli, and I have a broccoli head on two of them. There's a little broccoli head that's forming. So yeah, I'll be harvesting out of here pretty soon, and I can't wait. All right, y'all, I'm about to get to work, about to get this done, because it does look like we might get a little more rain today, and I don't want to be messing around in no soggy soil. All right, y'all, thank y'all for coming along. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and be blessed. I will talk to y'all at another time. Bye.